Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the poem. Name of the poem is Vacation. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861. He is popularly called Kabi Guru. His name is written as Rabindranath Tagore in many languages of India. He was a poet, philosopher, and artist. He wrote many stories, novels, poems, and dramas. He is also very known for composing music. His writings greatly influenced Bengali culture during the 19th century and early 20th century. In 1913, he became the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. His major works include Gitanjali, a world famous poetry book, Gora, Gari Bairi, and many other works of literature and art. Tagore died on August 7, 1941. In this poem, a child speaks about his wishes and attractions. It shows the state of his wavering but innocent mind. The poem is about how a child gets attracted to the ways of people around him and finds different curiosities and attractions in their lives. He is not aware of the tough routine they have to go through. It also shows his innocence and lack of worthy sense. At three different points of time during the day, he noticed different Hawaker and gets impressed by their free choices and independent way of life. Now let we start the poem. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the Hawaker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a Hawaker, spending my day in the road, crying bangles, crystal bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to look if he gets baked in the suns or gets well. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in the head. The watchman swings in his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing their shadows with my lantern. Now let we start the poem Vacation. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. This poem is about a boy who is fascinated by different people he observes. On his way to school in the morning, he sees a Hawaker selling bangles. The boy thinks that unlike him, the Hawaker is free to go wherever he wants at any time. He wishes he were a Hawaker. On his way back from school, the boy watches a gardener at work. The boy thinks that unlike him, the gardener can get muddy or wet without anyone scolding him. The boy wants to be as free as gardener. At night, he sees a watchman through his window. The boy thinks no one forces the watchman to go to bed at a particular time. He can stay up all nights. He wishes to be a watchman walking up and down the lane all night long. The theme of the poem Vacations is child's desire for freedom. He has to follow strict rules at home as well as in the school. He is also subjected to punishment by his parents when he makes a mistake. The poet explains how a child is psychologically affected by harsh treatment. In this poem, the Rabindranath Tagore used poetic devices as simile, repetition, alliteration, onomatopoeia. Simile. It is a poetic device involving the comparison of one thing with another thing of a different kind. Example, The street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. In this line, the street lamp is compared with giant using like. Second one, repetition. It is the repetition of certain words and phrases for poetic effect. In the poem, many words and phrases have been repeated. Example, when, I wish I were, etc. Third one, alliteration. It is the occurrence of the same sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words. Example, the gate, the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes. Nobody takes him to task. Fourth one, onomatopoeia. It is the formation of a word from a sound associated with what is named. Example, the gong sounds 10. The word gong is formed by the sound associated with it. Thank you.